Adjectives in Bulgarian can be tricky, but when you add articles to them, oh my god, it's really something that I see every single day with our students. That doesn't matter how much they learn, still it takes energy and it takes time. But actually there is a simple logic behind it. In this video, I will explain it to you. So first of all, let's start what is adjective in Bulgarian. Adjective is something that describes the noun. Description. For example, beautiful, красив. It describes beautiful house, beautiful like a person, beautiful pencil, doesn't matter. Something that describes the noun. The first tricky thing for adjectives in Bulgarian is that they change by gender. Keep this in mind, especially if you're an English-speaking native person, like native English-speaking person, then you know that in English they don't really change. As you have just heard me in the beginning of this video, I have said beautiful for doesn't matter which gender and which word, so you always say beautiful. Bulgarian is not like this. First, you need to know the gender of the noun. For example, we have къща, house. къща, it's which gender? Feminine. You need to say красива къща, beautiful house. Oh, so красив goes to красива, feminine, красива къща. If you want to say beautiful pencil, молив pencil, which gender? Masculine. Красив молив. Why not? Pencils can be beautiful. Or any word that you want to describe that's masculine gender, and you can use красив. If you want to say beautiful child, the word child, dete, it's what? Neutral. I know, again, very tricky how children can be neutral in Bulgarian. It's like this, yes, I know. Neutral gender. Красиво дете, okay? Beautiful child. And if you want to say beautiful people, хора, people, it's plural, and then it goes красиви деца. So far, so good. You need to keep in your head, you need to know the gender of the noun, and from there you need to change the form of the adjective to use the right form. But if you want to say the beautiful house, in English, you say the before the adjective and before the noun, and you write it separately. In Bulgarian, it's not exactly this logic. In Bulgarian, you put the article of the word, you write it together with the adjective, okay? If you want to say just the house, okay, it would be къщата. But if you want to say the beautiful house, the article goes to beautiful. красивата къща. Are you still here with me? I know it's a lot of things, a lot of exceptions. Not easy to be explained just in a few minutes in a video because it's one of the topics that really takes a lot of exercises. Ideally, you can write us in the comments or you can just find some exercises and you can try to put this information that I'm telling you now and to exercise it or to write some sentence using it. Because just like this, it stays like a theory, but at least the good thing is to understand at least the basic, the foundation, and then try to apply it. Again, you can put the article just to the noun къщата, but when we add the adjective, which is the topic of today's video, like we change actually the place of the article, and it can be tricky for some our students, like I've seen it by experience. It's always a good reminder. That's why we're making these videos to help your learning journey. So again, красивата къща, the beautiful house. If you want to say the beautiful pencil, красивият молив. So for masculine, молив, you add iya or iyat, depending if it's subject or object. But the thing that confuses foreigners the most is why you add iya or iyat when it's masculine, because it sounds feminine and it sounds as if it's not here the right place, but actually this is the right place. So just remember, iya or iyat, this is for masculine adjective, so красивият молив. If you want to say for pencil, you say детето, the child. But if you want to say the beautiful child, then you say красивото дете. Again, детето, to, article, the child. You take this to, imagine, and you put it to the first word. красиво, красивото дете, the beautiful child. Does it make sense? And for plural, we say, how you say the beautiful people? красивите хора. Te, if it's for any word that you put in plural. The beautiful cups, чаша, чаши, cups, красивите чаши. Here doesn't matter if in plural the word is masculine, feminine or neutral. If it is in plural, it's always te for adjectives. Красивите хора, красивите чаши. Okay, the beautiful cups. Now try to take this rule, and as I told you, imagine as I give you a mathematical explanation, a mathematic theorem, and you try to apply it in a different task. Look around you. Take any word that you see, door, window, computer, telephone, and try to say the beautiful telephone, the beautiful computer, the beautiful door, and try to say with these articles if you can put them on the right spot. Level number 2, try to use it with different adjectives, not only beautiful. Yes, the world around us is beautiful, but you can use different adjectives like big, small, gulam, mawak, shumen, noisy, tich, silent, and so on and so on. The number of adjectives is unlimited, so you have a lot of adjectives, and if you try to combine, I know it sounds very easy, 2 plus 2 equals 4, but if you try to combine different adjectives and following this rule with the articles, and different nouns with different genders, and you try to say it together, well, you already have not a sentence, not go too far, but an expression. You can say, for example, the small door or the little cupboard. I hope these videos are useful for you. My name is Christina and I'm a Bulgarian language teacher all my life, and we work with foreigners from all around the world. We hope that the content that we make is useful for you. Let us know in the comments, or if you find it, give us a like. It always helps the channel to develop.